some of these seeds here. See, there's a whole bunch of them in here. Okay, so I'm going to put some of these seeds here in some flower pots. Okay, now what I got here is some flower pots and just an old wicker basket. What I'm going to do is take this basket and this bag of potting soil, and I got some more baskets over here. So first I'm going to just fill it up with potting soil. This is kind of an experiment. We'll just see how this works. Okay, which one shall I pick? About some Sweet Alyssum and I have no idea what Clarkia is, but I guess we're going to find out. Now this is bone meal. I just got a big bag at Walmart, and the purpose for putting it on is I wanted to keep the squirrels or rabbits or whatever from in here nibbling away at it. So hopefully that will keep them from doing that. Well, here they are. I put bone meal on the top to keep squirrels from digging in there. I hope that's going to work, because a lot of times if you put containers out, squirrels just dig in them. Okay, so here you can see after they were all done and it rained all night, you can see what these pots look like. Now all we got to do is watch the seeds grow, and every week I'll come out and look at them and we can see how they're doing. So subscribe to this channel and come out every week and watch these pots grow and see how the seeds grow in these wicker baskets. 3 of them are just straight into the wicker baskets, and 1 of them is in 2 clay pots, and those pots are inside of a wicker basket.